This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fusion battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe battery swap. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Your Ford Fusion battery is typically located in the trunk, but sometimes it's under the hood. Using your 10mm wrench, first disconnect the negative terminal. This is a critical safety step to prevent electrical issues. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring it's tight. Then, connect the negative terminal, also making sure it is very secure. You're almost done. Secure the new battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and free of corrosion. Now, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.